If 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5. These four are vertices of a parallelogram. Vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. Find x comma y. He given a geometrical figure parallelogram. Which vertices are these four? In these vertices, in 4 comma y, x comma 6, here variables. So we can find x comma y. First of all, we draw a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. A 1 comma 2. B 4 comma y. C x comma 6. D 3 comma 5. This is a parallelogram. Next we draw diagonals. He given vertices of given vertices of a parallelogram are 1 comma 2, A 1 comma 2, B 4 comma y, C x comma 6, D 3 comma 5. These four are vertices of a parallelogram. Vertices of a parallelogram. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram are diagonals of a parallelogram are bisect them each other. This is the we know that diagonals of a parallelogram are bisect each other. Bisect them. Diagonals of parallelogram are bisect each other. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram are bisect each other. So diagonals are BD and AC are diagonals. Diagonals are AC and BD. These two diagonals are bisect each other. Bisecting means half. Bisecting means half. So BD midpoint BD midpoint is equal to AC midpoint. BD midpoint is equal to AC midpoint. Midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. We know that P x1 comma y1 q x2 comma y2, then midpoint of PQ is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula. Now first we find midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD. Point B is 4 comma y and D is 3 comma 5. Write x1 y1 x2 y2. These values substitute in this formula. 4 plus 3 x1 4 x2 3, so divided by 2. y1 plus y2, y plus 5 by 2. This is the midpoint of BD. Now find midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. A is, vertices A is 1 comma 2 and C, vertices C x comma 6. Write x1 y1 x2 y2. Now these values are substitute in this formula. x1 is 1 plus x2 is x by 2. y1 is 2 plus y2 is x by 2. This is the midpoint of AC. Equation number 1 is equal to equation number 2. Why? Midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of AC. Now equating them. 1 is 4 plus 3 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6 by 2 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 by 2 y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 1 plus x by 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 by 2. Comparing x coordinates and y coordinates. Comparing the x coordinates and y coordinates. Comparing the x coordinate and y coordinates. So x 7 by 2 is equal to 1 plus x by 2. Now do cross multiplication. So 7 into 2, 14. 2 into 1 plus x. So 14 is equal to 2 plus 2x. 14 minus 2 is equal to 2x. 12 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. Next, comparing y coordinates. Y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. Do cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication. Actually 2 is cancelled. Y plus 5 is equal to 8. Plus 5 is transposing to right side. Y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. That is equal to 3. I do similarly. 2 cancel. 2 cancel. 2 cancel. 1 plus x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. He given if 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma y are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in an order. Find x comma y. These are 4 vertices of parallelogram. So draw a parallelogram and draw diagonals. Draw diagonals. Put vertices A, B, C, D. Right. Now we know that diagonals of parallelogram or bisect each other. Bisect each other. Diagonals are AC and BD. AC and BD. So midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. So we know formula P x1 comma y1 is equal to x2 comma y2. Then midpoint of PQ is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now find midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD, that is equation number 2. 1. Now find the midpoint of AC. So this is equation number 2. Equation number 2, equation number 1 are equal. Why? Midpoints of BD, midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of AC. So equate them. Now comparing the x coordinates and y coordinates. Compare x coordinates and y coordinates. X coordinates 7 by 2 is equal to 1 plus x by 2. 2 cancel. 7 is equal to 1 plus x. So x is equal to 7 minus 1. X is equal to 6. Here y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. 2 cancel. Y plus 5 is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 5. Y is equal to 3. So therefore x is equal to 6. Y is equal to 3. This is important for SSC, AP and TS students. Okay.